Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade OpenJDK 11 to OpenJDK 17 on Rocky Linux 9.5. I have installed Rocky Linux on my Windows machine. I have installed VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox Manager. On top of that, I have created a virtual machine and installed Rocky Linux on it. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have powered on one Rocky Linux 9.5 version VM. It is in running state. I will take the access on my Windows machine on MobaXterm. This is the SSH client I am using. I have taken the SSH access to this server. So today we will show you how to install OpenJDK 17 and uh, and also we will show you how to set a Java environment, Java home path, and everything we will show in this video. So OpenJDK 17 is a long-term support version, is widely used for modern Java applications or for Java developments. This video covers installation, configuration, and even testing with a sample Java programs. Let's get started. For older application that may not be compatible with the new Java version, that is OpenJDK 17, make sure you test it on the dev or test environment, then upgrade the Java. Prerequisite is before starting, ensure you have the prerequisites, Rocky Linux with sudo access, an active internet connection, and basic understanding of Linux terminal commands, which helps you while troubleshooting. As I told you, I'm using Rocky Linux 9.5. You can check with the command. Here you can see Rocky Linux and version is 9.5. Check the current version of Java version as well as Java compiler. Java version is OpenJDK version 11 and Java compiler, if it is installed, Java compiler is not installed. From this command, it will confirm that which version is currently active on your system. In our case, it is OpenJDK version 11. Before upgrading, note that some older application might not be compatible with a newer Java version like OpenJDK 17 or even upcoming OpenJDK 21. If your application relies on a specific feature or behavior of Java 11, test the upgrade in staging or development environment before deploying it on production. Compatibility issue can arise, especially for legacy system. Now let's install OpenJDK 17 along with the deployment tools using DNF package manager. This ensure you have the both runtime and development kit. Run this command sudo dnf install java 17 OpenJDK, and we are going to install Java 17 OpenJDK devel. Enter the sudo password. Package is getting installed now. Currently it is downloading the package. After downloading, it will get installed. Next step, to update the default Java and javac version by using alternatives command. hyphen config java. So as you can see, we have both Java 11 and Java 17. It is by default, it is set to Java 17. Java 17 has a selection number 2. Just enter 2 and press enter. Similarly, you can configure Java compiler as well. We have only one compiler, that is Java 17. Now let's get the Java path. So it is required to set configure Java home. You can use the following command to get Java installation path, which can be easily copy and use while configuring Java home. Which Java? This will tell you the Java home path. Which Java? This command identifies the location of the Java executable, and readlink -f resolve the symbolic link to find the actual installation path. Now let's add Java home in .bashrc file. Manually also you can enter .bashrc file. Add Java home. Let's copy it from the terminal. This is the Java. Remove bin. This is Java home, and also mention path. Java home bin $path source We have checked Java home path and also cross-verify Java version. To ensure Java is accessible system-wide, set the Java home environment variable in your bashrc file. Add the path to OpenJDK 17 and update the path variable. Use source command to reload the configuration. When we run source command followed by bashrc file, it will instruct current bash session to read and execute the update content of the bashrc file, or else you need to re-login the bash shell. The other way is to re-login. This ensures the changes of the Java home and paths are immediately reflected in the current terminal session. So we have verified via Java version. Let's verify Java compiler. It's set to 17. We have checked the Java home, and next is create hello world.java file. World.java. I will paste this sample program, save the file and exit. Now compile javac. Run the Java. Everything is set up correctly. As you can see on my terminal output, hello world OpenJDK 17 is working perfectly. You should get this kind of output. So we have been successfully upgraded OpenJDK 17 from OpenJDK 11 and tested it with the Java program. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.